Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. So the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income, which is absolutely insanity. So if you guys are interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. Don't ever worry about it. Just keep moving. Keep the truck moving. You'll get there. All right, so we're going to refresh the page here to make sure that we didn't get a sale here. Okay, we did not get a sale yesterday. Not a big deal, guys. Don't worry about it. There are some dry spells in my something I noticed. There are some dry spells in my program here when it comes to making money. Is there's a week in every month that I get no sale. All right, it happens every time until I get built back up. It's gonna keep happening. So I'm not worried about that at all. It'll get there eventually. You can't quit. That's the main thing. You cannot give up, man. You can't give up on stuff like this. You gotta just stay consistent. All right. You gotta stay consistent. If it ain't working, do more. That's all it is to it. But we showing you the absolute easiest way to promote this product. All right. So get down here. And this is my link here, guys. I'm gonna show you how to get your link. But this is the link that I use. In particular, you can use any link that you want. All right, guys. Any link that you want. All right. So we're gonna go on. What you want to do is click on your link in my description. There, you're gonna say incomespeech.com. Click on that. It's gonna take you to this page here. And what this page here is basically the sales letter for the $25 all-in-one digital business. Basically, it tells you how much money you can make and what it is in general. It's basically a funnel builder with no real limitations on it for $25 a month. Now, if you made funnel builders before, or you use funnel builders before, or you use funnel builders right now, especially like ClickFunnels or anything like that, the most popular one, then you know that $25 per month for this deal is insane. So yeah, it's only $25 per month. Real good deal. And it got a ridiculous affiliate program attached to it as well. They also get a charity if you're interested in that. You can make $120 off of each customer, guys. That's one thing as well. All right, so anyway, we're going to click on yes, we want in once we decide we want to try this out. By the way, this page is long. Like, it's got a ton of information just in case you guys are interested. All right, we click on that. And you just put your information in and all that, and you click here. This is where you get the product at right here. Now, one thing I want to mention to you guys here: if you use my link, you get 14 free days with the HBA premium here for free, straight up free. The cool thing about this, it teaches you how to set up traffic, how to make ads, how to use solo ads, how to set up a podcast, how to set up articles, and whatever else. TikTok, Instagram, whatever, right? It teach you how to do it and get started on it. And the number one thing is being consistent. Number one thing is being consistent. If you take anything out of this, just be consistent, right? And anyway, it teaches you all that. It also has an AI content creation machine, all right, that you can use to help you set up all of this stuff, make posts, and do this and do that. All right, guys. Got a ton of ways to do it using the AI content creation machine. It's going to help you make posts and stuff. There's literally no reason not to do it. Set up tweets or whatever it may be. All right. So anyway, guys, that's all. You can get that free if you use the program here. And another cool thing is, and the coolest part about this, that if you get a sale with this particular product, while you using it for free, you keep that money. You keep that money. You keep that $100, which is absolutely crazy dope to me. And cool thing. And another cool thing about this program is that you can cancel it anytime you can cancel it easily. They're not trying to steal money from you. It's very easy. You click on the button, boom, cancel. All right, you can cancel it immediately. Anyway, guys, that's all I want to tell you guys about that. But now we need a way to promote this product. Once you go in, all that, do all the stuff you need to do to get your links. I promise you, it's super simple. And if you made a website before, plus there's videos explaining everything. So once you get your links, you'll get your links. What you want to do is go to my second link there that should take you to this page here, which is My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, what My Lead Gen Secrets is all about is that you get 100 leads per day that you can email once per day. For example, you get 100 leads as soon as you sign in, then tomorrow you'll get another 100 leads you can email. Then the next day you'll have 300 leads you can email. So on and so forth. It builds up like that. So yeah, it's a really good thing. Now here's the thing about My Lead Gen. I want to make sure you guys understand. These guys are interested in making money online. All right, these guys are interested in making money online, but they're very cold leads. They don't know nothing about you. All right, so what you got to do is warm them up with emails. Keep sending emails. Like I say, consistency. Don't worry about how great your email is. Just send them. Make sure to send them. All right. So now we're gonna just use the email that ChatGPT has written for me. If you've seen the earlier episodes of this series, you'll see ChatGPT writing these for me by using one of my emails I've written myself. Click here. Yeah, this is it here. So yeah, I just put in, write me an email similar to this, and then put my email in there. And then it just created a bunch of emails for me. Absolutely crazy good. So yeah, that's real cool. And anyway, we just gonna pick one of these emails here. Just gonna pick the next one that it wrote for me right here. So we just click that email. Use that email. You can copy this email if you want to, by the way. Very simple and easy. All you have to do is pause the video, copy the email. All right. It's very short. If you notice, you want short emails when you write them, so you don't need to. Just get to the point. When you read an email yourself, you wish that email would just get to the point, right? I know I don't like reading super long emails. I like them to be pretty short. Just tell me what's up, what's going on, what you want me to do. That's it. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. And you can just pause the video to copy the email there. And you want to make sure you hit perfect timing. When you hit perfect timing, what that's gonna do, send an email around the time that people get email. So for example, you check your emails around 8:00 a.m. right? It'll send you that email around 8:00, so it end up on top of your list. So that's the point of that. So anyway, then you want to also hit preview and make sure your link works. Click on your link here and make sure it works. Mine does work, as you can see. So send an email and we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Real easy, very simple, very quick, and that's all there is to it. Honestly, all you really need to do, come in here, pick an email, send it. That's all you really need to do every morning. And you do that every morning, you should make money. All right. So one more thing I want to emphasize is that I have 10 accounts in My Lead Gen Secrets. This is my worst one. I'm still making money with my worst account. All right, guys. Made a lot of money with my worst account. So for you guys, when you have the chances of you having a better account than mine is astronomical, because I got 10 accounts and this is my worst one. All right. So that's all there is to it, guys. And one more thing I want to stress really hard before I get out of here. Consistency is key. Whatever you decide to do, is consistency is key. Really want to elevate this situation. My recommendation is to post short TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. That's my recommendation to really get some muscle going in your affiliate program, whatever of your choosing, right? Now, what you want to do is make these consistent. So if you post once per day, make sure to post once every day. Make sure you do it every single day. All right. Make sure at least you do it every single day. I'll post every single day on each platform. Now, what you want to do essentially is I recommend posting at least about 3 times a day. 3 times per day, every single day. But you can build up to that. You don't got to do that right away. You can build up to it. Once you get comfortable posting once per day, hey, I can do a little bit more. Let me do it. like that. All right. So, and eventually when you get used to making these shorts and setting them up and stuff, you'll get into that method where it's real simple to do. And so you just do it every day easy. So that's all I'm saying. So, and just keep at it. You'll eventually build up. Your next thing you know, just do it for a month. You do it for a month, your money will look so different. All right, guys. It's worked for me. It can work for you guys. All right. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.